On my iCom 725, there's the CW and the CW narrow button. And CW mode comes by default, but the narrow filter is an optional filter that is not installed by default. So this is the FL232 filter, and it comes with this little rubber anti-vibration pad underneath it that goes between it and the circuit board. This particular one is manufactured for other iCom radios. It's a 350 hertz kind of a narrow filter for CW. This radio in the manual, they recommend the FL101 or the FL100. So the FL100 is a 500 hertz and the FL101 is a 250 hertz. The 350 is kind of a happy medium between the two. It's made for later radios, but it has the same form factor. And the most important thing is the intermediate frequency is that 9.01. It has the same intermediate frequency, so it should work in this radio just fine. Now the manual says it's a plug-in filter, so there should be sockets on the bottom of the circuit board that accept this without soldering. We still need access to the circuit board, so we're going to have to take the bottom case cover off. All right, so after removing this, you can see here is their standard filter with single sideband filter, and then right below it there's the clearly identified area where the CW filter goes. Now supposedly you can install this in either orientation. I'm going to install it with the orientation with the sticker matching this sticker here. All right, I can feel the legs going into sockets there. All right, that feels like it's seated quite well. So we just have to put the cover back on and we're done. All right, here's some Morse Code, 123. Turn on the narrow filter. You can see how it's more clear. Now if I move away from it, when you go, 400 hertz away, it's gone. Come back to where it's centered, nice and clear. Go 300 hertz the other way, it's gone. You can use RIT with this filter, but if you go very far at all, it disappears off the edge of the filter. So it's perfectly able to be copied without the narrow filter in this case, but the narrow filter kind of makes it a little clearer.